What's cooking, y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I am back in gear. Don't you have no fear? Today's episode is Pokemon flavored, and I have a brand new Pokemon Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse Elite Trainer box to open. I think it's got 7 booster packs in it. 8 booster packs? That's even more than I thought. We got 8 booster packs to open. I'm still looking for some of the full art Pokemon cards. We pulled some really cool stuff in the full box that I got. So if you haven't checked that out, the link is in the description. You should definitely peep what I pulled, because the last box was insane. But I'm still looking for Venusaur, Snivy. Either the full art or the hyper rare would be really cool. I really love the art on that card. Couple things before we get started. I am going to have a 12-hour Pokemon Sword/Shield stream on November 15th at 9 a.m. Central Time, and that's going to go till 9 p.m. Central Time. I'd really appreciate your support if you are taking off the day, or if you even want to join me after work or school. That'd be really cool. We're going to be over on Twitch, and that link is in the description as well. If you're not following me over there, it's going to be a really good time. I'm going to be giving away some cards. I'm going to be giving away some other cool merch. I don't want to spoil what it is. And I'm thinking about giving away some Pokemon Funko Pops, 1 or 2 of them. Yeah, so if you want to join me, it's going to be really exciting to get into Gen 8 with Grookey, Sobble, and Scorbunny, and check everything out. I'm spoiler-free so far. Please don't ruin that. We only got, I'm recording this 6 days away from release, so I'm excited. Get hyped. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the brand new Elite Trainer Box. Now, I love Cosmic Eclipse. Let me zoom this out a little bit. I love Cosmic Eclipse so far because of that that slot, the reverse rare slot, reverse holo slot, where you can get one of the full art Pokemon with the trainer. I'm still looking for like 2 or 3 of them. So even though I've opened a full box and then some of the sneak preview kits, I still haven't pulled everything. So we have more things to pull, and I really like the art for this. I normally only keep the really cool ones. So like for the Hidden Fates, I kept the bird trio. The design on the box is really cool, and I love keeping like bulk and other things in it. So when I pull some holos and I'm trying to get things out of the way, I'll just use one of these to stick them over to the side until I get to sort them into a bigger box later. So we have, it looks like the normal stuff. I actually need new sleeves. I started playing a game called Argent Saga, so it'll be really cool to use these sleeves for that game. We have our dice. I like the colors for these. Okay, if you don't want to focus, there we go. I like the colors for these. The little cream blue with pink, that looks really nice. We got our big fat stack of energies. And then these sleeves, I think I'm going to use for my shards in Argent Saga. This is pretty cool. I finally have use for all these standard size sleeves. We have our plastic GX tag team deal. Nobody's ever told me, what is this for? What do people use this for? I saw it on somebody's mat the other day. Our counters. And then we have our little dividers. Here is the code card. Hope you enjoy that. Hope you pull something cool. Now we have 8 packs. I was only expecting 7, so this is exciting. So 2 of each pack card. Let's get into it. I'm begging for a Venusaur Snivy. And maybe, is it Acerola? Is that her name? I can't remember what her name is, with the Mimikyu. I want the Mimikyu reverse foil, so that'd be really cool to pull. Let's figure out what way these are today. There is your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's fairy. Flip it around. What do we got? We got beautiful Cynthia and Caitlin. We got a Floette, not Az's. We got Roxy. We got Stuffle. A Poniard. We got a Litleo. We got a Koffing. And the reverse is behind this nose pass, and it's Baeba or Beleba and Bryceman. I still don't know who they are. And the rare is Credilly. Poor Credilly doesn't get enough love. Credilly and Armaldo in Gen 3 were really cool. I don't know why they don't get more love. They really should. Okay, this is my favorite pack art. Blastoise and Piplup as a hyper rare or full art, that'd be pretty cool too. I'm just saying. Putting that out there. Universe. If you want to do something with that, totally cool. If not, well, you're a meanie. But, you know, we've seen Kwikpanik get some bad pulls. There is your code card, maybe. Enjoy it. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water, not ice. I don't care what you say. That really cool Zangoose. That's such good art. I really like that Zangoose. Zangoose, we got ourselves a Gloom. We have a Celio. He's so chubby. We got a Woobat, a Ducklet. We got a Swirlix. We got an Alolan Grimer, a Slugma drawn by Ken Sugimori. The reverse is a Spheal with it. And the rare is Raichu. That's really cool art. All right, carrying on, my wayward son. There'll be hollows when you are done. So lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. All right, boom. Passimian is such a cool Pokemon too. There is your code card. It's going to be interesting with a reduced Pokemon Dex. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. I just said Pokemon Dex instead of Pokedex. Reduced Pokedex to see some Pokemon, maybe like Mawile or who did we just go through? Oh, well, I don't know who I was thinking of, but it'll be nice to see some of those lesser used Pokemon get some love. Dusclops, Larvesta, we got a Passimian, Rowlet made of clay, a Lillipup, a Squirrelp, a Pikachu. That's such good art. The reverse is a Duskull, and the rare is Dragalge. Dragalge? We had a nice conversation on the stream while I was playing through Platinum, and there are so many Pokemon, like Hippowdon. I said Hippowdon, and people were like, wait, how'd you say that? And I was like, Hippowdon? And people were like, no, it's Hippowdon, other different things. Rayquaza versus Rayquaza. It's a fun conversation. There is your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's steel, definitely not metal. If you say metal, you're kicked out of the cool kids club. We got Roller Skater. We got a Clefairy. Big Knight. We got an Onix. Have I seen that one yet? Is that almost 3D? Almost. We got ourselves a very... Look at the difference in quality between this beautiful Onix and then Wailmer. We got ourselves a Palpitoad, Kricketot, a Palm. The reverse is a Swirlix. And the rare. Oh my gosh, we're getting bippity-boppity booped on this. This is not... What is this, 4? We're halfway through. We haven't even pulled a regular holo. Please, somebody save me. All right, the trio. What are you going to do to me? Something good? What is up with me and Elite Trainer boxes? Which was the one that I got really bad pulls on? I think it was Unbroken Bonds. It was atrocious. There is your code card. Hope you enjoyed that. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Fairy. Like, our pulls have been very bad. We got a throw. We got a Dartrix. We got ourselves a Cosmoem. A Flabebe. We got a Sneasel. Not too Trapinch. We got a Spheal. The reverse is Ends Resolve. And the rare. Oh, okay, cool. So we finally got a GX tag team. We pulled the hyper rare of this in the box opening. But that looks, I like this art a lot. Mega Lopunny and Jigglypuff. Well, say goodbye to the Megas. Goodbye, Megas. No more Megas in Sword and Shield. That makes me kind of sad, man. Some of the Mega Pokemon really made me love the Pokemon of which it was a Mega Evolution, like Sableye and Mawile. I always thought they were like, whatever Pokemon. And then when they got Mega Evolutions, I loved using them. There is your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water. Okay? Get it? Got it? Good. Delmise! Island Challenge Amulet. We got ourselves a Carolia. We got a Dilpitter, Helioptile, a Carvana. We got a Tepig, a Togedemaru. The reverse is a Zhangmo. Oh, and the rare is Drampa. Oh my goodness. Please, last 2 packs, just be magical. I'm saving this one. I like this art the best, so we'll save that for last. We're going into Solgaleo and Lunala. Reminder, I need to get my shiny Solgaleo and Lunala from the GameStop event. Is this... Okay. Okay, that's fine. The harder to get into, the better the pull. Right, am I right? Here is your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's electric. Don't you dare say lightning. That's an insult. All right, we got Guzman Hala. We got Anorith. A Cricketune. That is a paragraph and a half. Goodness. Even the name of the move. Improvisational performance. That's a chapter book. Okay, we got Snowrunt. We got Rockruff, nice and cuddly. We got a Deerling, forgot you exist. We got Teddy Ursa. We got a Golett, the reverse. Oh, this is what I wanted. That makes me so happy. I love Mimikyu. Is her name Arcerola? I can't remember. This is the reverse I wanted so badly. That red with Pikachu, but I think I wanted this one the most. Oh, man. That looks so good. And the rare. Let's just pretend that rare didn't happen. This makes me happy. Okay. I mean, I guess that's a hit. Something good in this one, please. Something amazing. Full art. Go for a full art right now. All right, comment section. What do you think? What do you think we're getting out of this last pack? What rarity? Let me know. Let me know what you think. Before we get into this last code card, I'd just like to say thank you for all the support on the videos. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed this content. Subscribe to the channel if you've not already. There's Funko Pop and Pokemon content. I got a Elgato green screen thanks to the donations and wonderful people over on Twitch. So I'll be setting that up. You can see that the thumbnails will be changing in the future. And yeah, there'll be Sword and Shield content coming to the channel as well once I beat the game. There you go. Oh, that's an Araquanid. There's your code card. That was really smooth. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. All right, let's get into this awesome card pulling business, okay? Type no. We got such a cool Heracross. Heracross has gotten a lot of good art lately. We got a Araquanid. We got a Rowlet. We got ourselves a Phantom, who I love very much. We got an Alolan Grimer. A Magnemite. Eevee. The reverse is a Trapinch. And the rare. Soot! This was the worst box ever. Oh, but we got the Mimikyu that I really wanted. I wanted very badly. Probably wanted this card second to a full art Snivy Venusaur. And then we got the Mega Lopunny and Jigglypuff. No other holos. That's bonkers. I'll have another video up with Pokemon content on Tuesday. We're going to do some of the new promo packs that they have for Cosmic Eclipse. And then whenever that Rayquaza pack comes out, the $100 one, we'll be opening that on the channel as well. I think that'll come out after Sword and Shield. Don't forget to follow me on Twitch and check out that 12-hour live stream on November 15th at 9 a.m. Central Time until 9 p.m. Central Time. That is all I've got for today. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Later.